An upcoming record label providing inner-city youths with an opportunity for their musical talents to be discovered is the focus of this week's edition of the Business Review. Here's Cody and Barrett.
With the talent wasting away, two young men set out to make doing music possible for everyone. Producers Anelka Rapley and Marlon Anderson joined forces to start a new record label, One Link Music. The passion for music started in 2018. The two would hang around other music producers and eventually gained skills in producing and music composition. They have always worked together, but what inspired this venture was their common love for music.
So we have a lot of talented artists around us. As I mentioned, we're not artists. What we do is create the sound. So why not create a record label so we can facilitate all the artists that are around us, which don't have the opportunity to go to the studio and voice, because that is a whole issue. So that is what really inspired us so we can do it.
Securing a location was challenging. Luckily, the owner of a recording studio saw potential in the two young men and allowed them to use the space along with the equipment at no cost.
We came here actually to do some work, because normally what we do, we'd go around and we'd actually pay people to use their studio. But we came here and consequently saw the whole movement and how organized we were, and he actually gave us the opportunity to come here and do the work whenever we want.
After finally securing a location, they officially registered the business in May 2021. Now, it was all game for the duo. Recruiting artists followed.
We actually went back to our community, which is Grand Spin. We located a lot of artists because, as I mentioned, there's a lot of talented youths there, but they don't get the opportunity. We take them here, we put in the work nightly, daily, and we just sit back, my business partner and I, and we decide what is the most feasible way to move forward with all of this work that we're putting in.
Certainly, the pandemic has changed how music and entertainment are consumed and how artists get exposure. To earn an income, the music producers upload their material on international streaming platforms. As more artists came on board, they began enjoying the fruits of their labor when the streaming platforms began paying out. So how can an aspiring artist get on board?
All they have to do is let me hear them. That's all. Once they reach out and someone's here and I'm hearing that they have the talent, I'm going to work with them. I'm not depriving anybody of their moment.
One small step now, but the end goal?
To take over the world.
Let me tell you about my life, easy. Me just want to make my mother happy, the only thing will please me. Let me tell you about my life, easy.
With the Business Review, I'm Cody Ann Barrett.